everyone, I'm How. Today I would like to share with you how to replace the rear brake pads for 2013 Ford E350. Let's do it together. Okay, so I jack it up. I take the wheel out, jack it up. Make sure to put the jack stand on for safety. So we have to replace the rear pads and rotor. This is the pass over here. I want to share with you guys with the pass, and I show you how to what pass in ball and out ball. So they're very easy. This one for the in ball. You see that? The shorter pass is in ball. You want a longer one, out ball. So let's do together. We use the socket 21 and the wrench because over here no room. We have to put the wrench 21, so make sure to put the jack stand, jack it up, jack stand for safety. Then we put the jack stand over here. Put in the frame, make sure the safety. So now the caliper over here, so we show with caliper everything. So we use the number 21 over here. I use a hammer to bang them out because there was no room. We cannot put any socket on. Okay, so I'm going to put another one with not detail too much. I'm going to use my impact. I'm going to put a socket 21. I show them out because I have to use the impact faster. You know what? I don't use the flexor. And the top one cannot use a socket. Now I can do by hand. Okay, let's take the whole caliper out. Use screwdriver, drive the whole caliper out. Because this one, we have to take the whole caliper and rack it together. Pass is finished. Look at the pass. Finished, made of tomato. Okay, so this one I show you because why we cannot take the racket out, because no room over here. The Allen key number 10 over here. So what we have to do, we shove it. We have to rack it out like this. Okay, and we shove it. We put the grease on together like later on. So I'm gonna make sure I change the rotor too, because the rotor no good. I'm gonna take the rotor out anyway. Look at the rotor. So we get a new rotor. Yeah, this is a new rotor. They call it coated rotor. Okay, perfect. That's right. Put the bracket caliper first. Okay, so now what we have to do, push the piston back first and reserve the caliper. Here, the piston over here. Hang up over here for now. Before you do that, I recommend you guys open the master cylinder cap. You know why? Because when you put this one back, they put the pressure. So better you open the cap for master cylinder. Make the go back easy. They don't damage the master cylinder either. So put back like that and seal with caliper, put back together, and that's it. It's not too long for this. Okay, so to put piston back already. So now I leave on the other side on the floor, whatever. So what I have to do now, and the next step, I'm going to serve with this caliper bracket. You've got to set up, take this one out. I'll put the new clip on later on anyway. So I'm going to use a file to clean the bracket more easy. I put it over here for now. Move side to side. Okay, I'm going to clean this one. Okay, make sure anything clean like this. Look. Clean like new. So the next step, I use the anti-seize to put on the bracket. So now we're getting a new clip. Here, that clip, this one's supposed to be outside, not inside the rotor, outside. This one, look at that, the clip I put on. Another side the same, outside only. Way outside. Okay, so now what I have to do more, I apply anti-seize more. Okay. So now the next step, I'm going to clean this one. I'm going to put the new grease on. This is the grease special for the grease caliper for the slide. Okay, so this one a very important thing. because this one is picky to do this part, kind of break part for it, because cannot take the bracket, put color bracket out. We have to put together, right? So we have to put this one slide in. Okay, make sure it push in, and then I'm going to tell you my opinion or my experience, whatever. The dropper, make sure they go in properly. If they not go in properly, the dust go inside or the water go inside and going to seed up the caliper. Okay, make sure they go in. So now what we have to do is put the parts on first. Put the in-ball first. Here, the in-ball part. So we'll put in-ball. And this one a little bit pain, but it takes time to do it anyway. Have to use a little screw, bend the clip, because it have the clip, it cannot go in one hand. You have to hold the caliper. Make sure not falling down. Okay, because very picky to do it. This side have same the clip, yeah. Okay, now they go in the in ball. So now we have to put the out ball. Okay. One side first. Then I'll do another side. I have to put my hand the clip on first. Okay, so now I'm going to do another side. Put on. Okay, go together. Make sure the clip don't touch it. Okay. Okay, they go in. Because the clip over here, the touch here, I don't know if you guys can see that. Touch is not going. So now we put the caliper together. Make sure the flex hole is not. Make sure the flex hole is right. Okay, now what I have to do, put together like this. Okay, that's it. Put the ball on. Make sure by hand first before you tie them up. This one's the same. I'm going to do by hand before I tie the tie the gun. Make sure that light is properly closed. Okay, now I'm going to do by hand first. Okay, tie them up this one. Okay, make sure your hammer tie them up. That's it. Okay, anything done for rake job is very easy to do it. It's not a big deal for that. Service caliper, change the new rotors, put back together about like 10-15 minutes. So done for one side. I'm going to do another side anyway, but I don't want to show you guys another side very much the same. So I would like to say, I don't know if you guys like my video, give me a thumb up please. So next time I'm going to make a next video. So thank you for your watching my video. See you in next video. Thank you.